Have you ever wanted to manage two different blogs on one WordPress site? Maybe one for tech reviews and another for personal stories? Well, good news. It's completely possible and easier than you might think. Let's break it down step by step so you can have both blogs running smoothly side by side. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, head over to the site editor or page editor depending on your theme. You'll notice a little plus icon. That's your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Go ahead and click it. A menu will pop up where you can search for and insert different components. In the search bar, type blog. This filters everything down to blog-related elements. From the list that appears, choose blog posts. This block is what connects your post to your site's design, making sure everything looks clean and organized. Now, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a tab called Block. This is where you can tweak how your blog section appears, everything from layout to how many posts show up. Here's the key step. Under Items Displayed, change the number to 2. This means your site will display content from 2 separate blogs. A perfect setup if you want to feature, for example, one blog for articles and another for announcements or updates. Once you've made that change, you'll have 2 blogs visually separated yet managed from the same WordPress site. It's a simple, powerful way to diversify your content without juggling multiple installations or domains. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned one site into two dynamic blogs, all within WordPress. Now that you've got your dual blog setup ready, start experimenting with different layouts, categories, and themes to give each blog its own unique style. The more you explore, the more flexible WordPress becomes. Thanks for watching.